Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be cleaning my Airbnb for the first time. So I just thought it'd be fun to vlog a clean with me. I brought Maui with me. I didn't want to leave her downstairs for like an hour or two while I'm cleaning because I just like to be with her, so she's here with me. First I'll give you an overview of what it looks like now that they're gone. When they leave, we asked them to strip the bed, which they did. For some reason, they moved the bed over, which is weird, and they should have moved it back, in my opinion. So I think we're gonna add in our rules for next time that if you move any furniture, please move it back to where it was, because that's annoying. Basically, I'm just gonna get started. I think the system I'm gonna do, I bought extras of everything. So I have extra sheets. I bought an extra throw blanket, so I can just put this one up here, take the one down with me, and I did the same with the decorative pillowcases. Those are just extras. I also bought extra towels, which I don't see, so I don't know if those just didn't get delivered yet. And an extra duvet cover, so I can just replace that right away, and not have to like go down and start the laundry while I clean and then come up, so it'll be a faster turnaround. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, bring you guys along with me, and hopefully you guys enjoy. If you guys like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe, because I do my husband and I just started this Airbnb, and we will be having more Airbnb content coming at you guys, so let's get going. Alright, I'm almost done with the kitchen. And it's just a spot on the wall that's kind of weird, so I'm gonna go ahead and scrub that, and then I'm gonna sweep the floor and stuff for the floor, and the kitchen will be done. I'm pretty sure they either moved, so I'm gonna have to look around, or stole our extension cord, because we had an extension cord here coming from this outlet to here to plug in these two things, and there's nothing there. Maui, what are you doing? Once I'm done with the kitchen, I'm gonna go ahead and make the bed, because I have let the disinfectant sit on the bed long enough. So I'm gonna finish up the kitchen, and then I will catch up with you guys when I make the bed. Okay guys, so I'm done cleaning. The only thing I didn't clean is the shower because James is actually going to be coming up here later to check on it and make sure it's working right, because the people before said the hot water was kind of finicky. So he's going to be looking into that, and I don't want to clean it just to have him get it dirty. So I'll just ask him to clean it after he fixes it, but everything is clean. I'll just show you, I guess. So here's all the laundry I need to take down. Unfortunately, these people were a little tough on my rugs and pillows, so I have to wash a little more than I was hoping. I was just hoping to be able to use that disinfection spray and like spot clean, but for instance, like this is the rug that was in front of the toilet and it's just like filthy. And then this trash will have to come get, but this is all clean. I have to clean the other pillow because they got a huge stain on it. Just the joys of Airbnb. But everything is clean and fresh, smelling really good. This room is done as well, just not the shower. So I have this stuff in there for James to do that. But this is all good and fresh smelling. So yeah, we have our health inspection tomorrow just to make sure everything is nice and good. So I had to just double check on that stuff. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing us set up this Airbnb, we actually set it up, about a month ago, and we did it in 24 hours. So if you're interested in seeing that, then I will have the video linked down below. But thanks for coming along with cleaning the Airbnb with me, and I will be having more content coming later. So I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.